When we choose to communicate with the world communicates back. The moment you extend yourself to the outside world, the world absorbs you and you become an extension of the whole cosmos. The world talks, the world whispers, the world sings, and you are supposed to respond. If you don't respond, the world turns out to be a liability. Take my example. If I buy a book and don't read it, the book cover taunts me. When I choose to buy a cigarette pack and don't smoke, each cigarette comes out of the pack and invites me to smoke. If I don't smoke, all the cigarettes get upset. If I say hi to a stranger on Facebook as a response to his hi, I am actually creating a liability for myself. Am I? Everything gets personified. For example, my laptop calls me every now and then and tells I've got to write a poem or record a video. The flashes of my cell phone sing songs, so I join them in a chorus. A tree out my window asks me to listen to the birds twittering in the branches. A door curtain always tends to move in order to touch my hands whenever I walk past it. The swishing sounds of vehicles passing outside want me to be aware of their existence through their honks. The clouds drifting in the air call me to join them to travel to the regions unknown. The moon wants me to sing him a lullaby. Since I've chosen this outside world, I have to take responsibility to deal with them, as now that's my liability. The cup of coffee is powerful enough to convince me that I couldn't afford to let it grow cold. It's my responsibility to drink it hot. Same is the case with ideas, people, feelings, and intellect. Everything is a metaphor. As Joseph Campbell said, we don't search meaning of life. Meaning has to do with mind. We are in search of experiencing the life. I believe there's nothing except life. Death too is a form of life at peace. Once you're dead, nothing is alive. Everything is energy. The cosmos responds if you respond to it. How can we then forget the world around us? What about the poor? What about the crippled? What about our relatives, friends, neighbors, parents, kids? What about the environment? What about peace? And above all, what about love? The world gives us back everything that we offer. Nothing is in isolation, not even the isolation itself. Invest time on a seed of thought, it'll grow to be a plant and will return with beauty for the times to come. The painting in your room isn't just talking about Pablo Picasso, it's talking about you, your world, your warmth, your happiness. Try to share with it your happiness. The room will be lit with love. The cat sitting under a tree in hot weather wants you to feel her helplessness as the tree has thin leaves. Yes, it's also the tree that is talking to you. Grow plants and let the earth breathe with fresh air, and let the small animals not just survive but enjoy the energies of life. If you feel the world smiles at you, just smile back and see the world is bright and beaming. Time is short. Life is unpredictable. Life doesn't wait for anyone. Just take the first step and let the journey begin.